Okay, so now we're going to look at how we can find our test statistic and our p-value using our calculator. So like we said in the first video, all you got to do is hit stat. We're going to go over to where it says test. And it's number 4 is our two-sample t-test because we're comparing the difference between two means and we're using the t-test because we do not know the population standard deviations. So number 4, and then quite simply all you have to do is just put the values in. So for our estuary problem, the mean for estuary A was 407.15. The standard deviation was 59.53 and the sample size was 20. For estuary B, the sample mean was 327.05 with a sample standard deviation of 54.07. And that was also on a sample of 20. In that first problem, our alternative hypothesis was that the two means were significantly different, so they were not equal to each other. So remember, we're always going to select unpooled on our variance. And then we'll calculate, and there you see our t statistic, 4.45, very similar to what we got by hand. And our p-value, 7.28, e negative 5. Remember, the e negative 5 means move the decimal 5 places to the left. So this is like 0.0000728. So a real simple thing to do. The only thing I would caution you on, make sure your hypothesis is going the correct way. And besides that, there's really nothing to it. Just gives you your p-value. If that p is less than your given alpha, we will reject our null. If not, we will fail to reject. So if you have any questions, of course, let me know.